Good Tuesday afternoon and good Tuesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather on Tuesday, June the 16th, 2026. Taking a look at your evening weather blog, starting off with current conditions. Looking at our HazCam cameras, you can see in our Bodcall, Arkansas location, nice sunny and clear skies with the sun setting there. Not a cloud in sight currently there. Temperature 78 degrees right now there in Bodcall. Prescott supposedly still 84, some clouds off in the distance, but mostly sunny skies there across southwest Arkansas, down there in the Prescott, Arkansas area with the sun setting in the background. Current temperatures as of 8:15 p.m. they range from the 70s, 75 in Mena, as observed temperatures down here to 83 to 84 down through here as well in the southern portions of the coverage area, but 70s and 80s currently at this time. When we take a look at what could be in store for your day on Wednesday, temperatures, they're going to continue to increase once again tomorrow. Well, let's start this off with tomorrow morning, of course. Temperatures going to be in the 70s probably to start your day, maybe a few upper 60s. And then we see that warm-up continue into the upper 80s and lower 90s. A couple areas could be possible there, with temperatures not cooling down as much, back down to the 70s according to the SHRR model, and some more potential rain chances returning into the forecast later on into the future. One thing I do want to mention, though, is it could be windy on Wednesday. Some wind gust values. Watch what happens overnight. They get a little more on the higher side tomorrow morning. You can see maybe widespread 20, 30 mile per hour wind gusts being a possibility through the day tomorrow. You can see even maybe some higher amounts possible there as well with that. But some gusty winds will be possible through the day there Wednesday, even into Thursday. Some before calming down Thursday afternoon potentially there across the region. Once again, taking a look at potential satellite for the future, you can see kind of just a general idea, a mix of clouds and sun there, continuing through that time frame, and then some cloudier conditions probably being a possibility there on Thursday. Looking at any potential rainfall chances for the upcoming time frame as well. Not a whole lot's expected, maybe a couple isolated showers tomorrow, 10% chance, not expecting anything widespread. But as we go into the day on Thursday, not a whole lot, but maybe some more isolated scattered showers through the afternoon there, and then we really start to see that potentially pick up into the evening on your day there Thursday and overnight into Friday morning, and through the day Friday there you can see backing this up overnight Thursday into Friday, and those rain chances, scattered hit or miss rain chances continuing there through Friday and Saturday, with some more chances for rain there on Monday or through the Monday time frame, and just continuing onward through that time frame. Totals for this, maybe an inch of rainfall, the European model, really through this weekend. You can see, even though we have that tropical system coming through, not a whole lot's expected. Maybe some higher amounts on the higher end, closer to 1 inch if possible. But if you look further to the south, this may be underdoing it some, but you can see totals closer to 3 to 4, maybe even 5 inches or greater down here on the latest European model. I think we could see some higher amounts down here due to that tropical system that's ongoing across the region. And if we look at the National Hurricane Center Tropical Weather Outlook, you can see we got a system that's going to move up here, potential tropical cyclone 1 that should form into a tropical storm here come June 17th at 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, according to the forecast. Going to make landfall somewhere in this area here. It's going to pretty much ride the coast of Texas and then pretty much go southeast of our coverage area. That is due to an approaching front from the north. So what that means is we're going to be kind of in the middle of two systems in a way. That front may stall out to our north, but it's just enough to keep that tropical system to our south and east. So that may keep us from seeing a whole lot of rainfall, but maybe still up to maybe 1 inch of rain possible through that time frame. Another thing that we are watching is on the day 3 or Thursday time frame, we do have a marginal risk for severe weather. Looking right now like maybe damaging wind gusts would be the main potential with that if we do see anything out of that, more than likely with that overnight round of storms. So that is what we have ongoing currently across the region. Nothing on radar currently. And what could be in store, looking at some future casts there for the future. Now taking a look at our area-wide 6-day forecast, you can see windy conditions tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, 10% chance of an isolated hit or miss shower, highs in the upper 80s, lower 90s across the region, overnight lows into the lower 70s. Overnight storms on Thursday, not expecting a lot through the day. Maybe those chances of rain increasing into the afternoon and evening. Partly cloudy skies, highs in the lower 90s. Overnight lows in the 70s, and that moisture will increase. So some dew points could lead to some heat index values getting up near the 100-degree mark potentially. 20% chance of rain increasing to 50% overnight there as well. Overnight lows in the 70s there. Then scattered thunderstorms both Friday and Saturday being a possibility. Highs in the upper 80s. Overnight lows in the 60s and 70s with a mix of mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Scattered thunderstorms right around 40 to 50%. Isolated thunderstorm chances continue Sunday and Monday. Partly cloudy skies right around 30%, closer to that scattered range. We'll keep an eye on that with highs in the lower 90s and upper 80s and overnight lows in the 70s across the region. So that's a quick overview of your 6-day forecast. Just once again, this whole time frame, you see these chances of storms, stuff of that nature. Remember, this doesn't mean you're going to see storms every single day at every location. There's just that chance there that we could see some thunderstorms and some showers through this time frame. By all means, with this tropical system, I'm not expecting much in terms of severe weather. Really not expecting much with that tropical system for us unless things change. But right now, due to the way that the overall system's setting up and we're getting another front moving in, it should keep that system south and east of our area, maybe clipping some portions of southeast Arkansas where you have, maybe some higher amounts of rainfall, but I don't think we see anything major, anything like what the Louisiana area could possibly see with heavy rainfall across central and southern Louisiana. Flash flooding will be a major issue down there, more than likely, from this tropical system. For us, though, right now, not seeing much impacts from that, although we could get an increase in that tropical moisture, helping us make things just maybe a little more humid as we go through this weekend. We'll keep an eye on that, though. But once again, that's all we have for the evening weather blog tonight. I do want to say a big thanks, as always, real quickly, to all of our sponsors for making this possible. Grease Gorilla, a truck service center with roadside assistance available located in Murfreesboro, Arkansas, at the same place as J&S Auto Supply, bumper to bumper. Give him a call at 870-826-6641. Check them out on Facebook as well. Patterson's Credit Union, located at 124 WP Mullen Drive, Arkadelphia, Arkansas. They got a Glenwood location and opening soon. Check them out at pfcuonline.org. Give them a call at 870-246-8005 there. J&S Auto Supply, bumper to bumper. Check them out at 518 West Main Street, Murfreesboro, Arkansas. Give them a call at 870-285-2107. Elite Tree Services, headquartered in Gurdon, Arkansas. Their team covers a 120-mile radius around Gurdon, covering multiple neighboring counties and communities. Check them out at EliteTreeService.com. Give them a call at 870-403-6290. Landmark Insurance Agency for all your auto, home, commercial, and life insurance experience professional services. Check them out at 691 Highway 27 South, Bypass, Nashville, Arkansas. Give them a call at 870-845-3787. And Palmer's Roofing, give him a call for your trusted roofing across southwest Arkansas. Choose Palmer's Roofing, locally owned and operated, specializing in shingle and metal roofing solutions at 870-245-9079. Very blessed to have them on board. Very thankful for them to be on board and be able to do this. So couldn't do it without the support of all of our followers and our sponsors. As always, we are always looking at trying to continue to grow our camera network. If you own a business and interested in getting your logo on one of these cameras, feel free to contact us. Or if you're a city official, county official, anything of that nature, feel free to contact us at that email address right there. We can help you get in contact with figuring out ways that we can get businesses or get your county camera or businesses sponsoring some of those cameras and getting those logos on there for really national view potentially there with those with those cameras, because they're on hascams.com, a national website that you can check out yourself and see the cameras on that we have right now in Prescott and Bodcall, Arkansas, on their map. As always, that brings us to the end of today's evening weather blog. Thank you guys very much for trusting us with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Have a great rest of your Tuesday evening.